best coupon codes for Hoka website, what you have to do is simply search for Hoka coupon codes on your browser and then click this website called Wired. On this website, you will get different codes like free shipping, 20% off, free delivery, $98 offer, 25% off, and many more in this menu. But this is the best website that provides active and available discount promo codes for every website you need. Because in this video, we're particularly talking about Hoka.com. So you have to simply search the name Hoka coupon codes wired.com, and then this page will be in front of you. Whenever you want to get any QR, click on this view deal option, and here you can see that a code is not required. This deal is open without code on the Hoka. Let me just click on another, and here you will see that the QR code will be mentioned on this place, and you simply have to copy that and then paste it into payment page on Hoka.com. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.